R32 GTST with a RB25 NEO pushing around 500 horsepower. It's been a long time since I was on this side of a car. Back when I was on the island in Trinidad, rear right hand drive, native there. This ECU Adams car, it's a beautiful JDM example. We've done a very big review video of it. Link will be in the description. That goes into a lot more depth. Oh, that is so great. It's not my car, so I'm not trying to go crazy with it. I'm just enjoying the noises. That RB exhaust note with that, I think it was an old Gretty style blow-off valve. My gosh. So awesome. I really do need the tires to warm up. It's a cold day. This shit's really nice. The clutch, I'm surprised I have any travel at all. The clutch pedal is so low. That blow-off valve is beautiful. Oh, it just sounds so good. Adam, this is a beautiful car, man. A little pop. Oh my goodness. Hit those holes and those patches. This is the cool hill he was telling me about. When we come back the other day, we have a nice view of the area. I may have to get a Gretty blow-off valve. This thing sounds so great. Looking for that church. There's the church. I don't want to take his car in there. That dirt road. Trying to turn around somewhere else. Ridiculous. It sounds so good. Do a nice small pull, nothing crazy. grinning from ear to ear, guys. Just grinning from ear to ear. Let's slow down, taking the view. Whoa! Look at the plateau and stuff. That is sick. Big old tower on the left. And that tower is bright as hell. Gosh. No need to gear down, but we want some noises, right? Ball style shifter is really nice to use. I'm accustomed with the piston style, but this ball style is really nice. It's gripped to the hand. There's an old school Nismo knob too, it's so badass. The old school Nismo steering wheel. He has the old school turbo oil cap. There's so many cool JDM goodies on this thing that he's had for years. These back roads, these Tennessee back roads, in a beautiful JDM R32. What could be better, guys? What could be better? What a blow valve. Coming to the end of this trip. That was a quick video with a beautiful black R32. Put in the comments what you think of the sounds and the video. Let me know if you want some more stuff like this. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, y'all take it easy.